Hello and welcome to the AAL Virtual Open House for Anthropology Day 2021. I'm Kevin Nolan. I'm the director of the lab, and as you can see in the linked exhibits here, we have still been doing quite a lot of work despite of all of the challenges that we faced with the pandemic. We developed new procedures, and we have had quite a lot of success still doing all of the work that we normally would do. It's just been different. And we've had great participation with all of our students and our staff, keeping everything going. Even though we had the disruption where we had to shut down the lab and leave campus, we still managed to get over 10,000 student hours this past year in 2020. And so we have managed to keep all of this going, and we've put in a lot of work, and the students and staff have done a great job at doing archaeology, doing the anthropology safely, and adapting to the pandemic. I have tried to keep telling everyone that we are the example of how to do community engaged, student centered research at a university during the pandemic. And our students and staff have really through. And if it weren't for all of their hard work and cooperation and willingness to try all of these new things, we wouldn't have been able to be as successful as we have been. It's been very, very different, but the things that we've done and the things that we've accomplished are as good or better than we have done in the past. And so I want to first thank all of the students and all of the staff who worked with us in this past year through all of the new procedures that we came up with and all of the new things that we had to talk about in order to do this safely. We really can't do it without everyone's cooperation, and everyone did a fantastic job. So I hope you will take some time to look through some of these exhibits, look at the projects that our students have been working on over the past year, and see a little bit of the new procedures and processes that we had in place to keep everyone safe. And I hope you will stay up to date with what we're doing in the future. And I hope to see you again in person in the future next year at our hopefully in-person open house next February.